You guys, let's fill up an empty cell. So in case you come across a challenge like this, you have an empty cell and you don't know how to fill up empty cells in a cell. Let's do this. So first of all, you want to notice the cell that is empty. What is the date? What is the date? It's on the 28th of December. Please, let's not use 2017's date. Let's use 2025 because December 2025. Yes. So we want to mark out this 28th December. All you need to do is to go to your calendar, right? On the 28th of December 2025 is on a Saturday, right? So you want to calculate the average of about three values on Saturdays, right? I'll take that back. The date 28th December, this empty cell is in 28th December, right? You want to get previous Saturdays. You want to get the average value of previous Saturdays, right? So we are looking at 21st, 14 and 7. So 21st, 14 and 7, you need to find their average. 21st, 14 and 7, you're going to enter your equals to average 21st, 14 and 7. So scroll up and look for 21st December. This is 21st, 14 and 7. This is 14 comma, and then we want to get 7. So these are 3 Saturdays before that empty cell. Look for 7, right? In the sales column, close your bracket and hit enter. So we have filled this. Now let's fill up the second. We are going to use, you can either use fill up or fill down. What fill down means is you want to find, but I prefer fill up, right? Because you're going to be choosing the previous Saturdays, like this previous Saturdays value, find their average and use that to fill up your empty cell. Okay, this works perfectly, right? This works perfectly actually. Okay, so now let's go. So 25th of December is what? 25th of December, we have to find that. 25th is what date? 25th is on a Thursday. So we want to look at values on the 18th of December, or in the 11th of December, or on the 4th of December. We want to find the average of the three values that falls in this date: 18, 11 and 4. So we're going to do equals to average 18th of December, 11th and 4 is what we are looking for. 18th comma, scroll up, 11 and then let's look for 4 and then close bracket, hit enter. So this actually is not a real data set, right? Yeah, I think it's a cargo data set, but this is the best approach for filling up your data, filling up your empty cells. Get the date, know the date, on what day does that empty cell fall into, then get their like days values, add up 3 like days values before the empty cell and get their average, right? That is what you basically do when you are filling empty cells in Excel. I hope you find this helpful. Follow Angie, follow Data Analyst with Angie for more tips. Bye.